Question 9 is 3 marks, compound interest. This is where everyone gets the mistake. Now look, let's read the question. The question says Pasha invests $50,000 in a saving account for 4 years. This is important. He gets 1.3% per year compound interest. Work out how much money will be in his account after 4 years. Now the formula says the final amount, that's how much will be in his account, is equal to the original account amount, how much he invested, 50,000, brackets 1 plus or minus, plus if something is increasing. Since he invested money, so the money will increase, so it's plus. Minus if you, for example, buy a car after years, the price of the car will be less. So in that case, we'll use minus, but now it's just plus. Now the percent is 1.3 over 100 to the number of terms. How many years is it? The question says 4 years, so just raise it to the power of 4. Write this in your calculator. 50,000, 1 plus 1.3 divided by 100 to the power of 4. It gives you 52,651.1408. The question though said give your answer to the nearest dollar. So it's just 52,651. How was it? Was it easy? Can you try the same question? Imagine that he invested 20,000. The bank is giving him 2% and do it for 4 years. Just for the sake of practice, try this and comment your answer. That's all. Bye.